अगर आप एक 4 साल के बच्चे को समझा रहे हो हाउ व्हाट इज कंसल्टिंग, कैसे समझाओगे?
वेरी इजी एक्चुअली 4 साल वाले को, क्योंकि तुम्हें एक चॉकलेट चाहिए एंड आई एम अ शॉपकीपर हु हैज़ दैट चॉकलेट, बट आई वांट टू सेल दैट चॉकलेट टू द किड. But there is only one way I can sell it, that the kid should know about my chocolate, and I also should have enough stock in my shop कि मतलब मेरे पास, अगर मैं किसी को बेच रही हूँ तो मेरे पास उतना स्टॉक भी तो चाहिए. मैंने एक बच्चे को बेचा तो अगर 20 आए तो मेरे पास 20 चॉकलेट ही नहीं रहे तो मैं क्या करूँगी? तो दैट्स वेयर द कंसल्टिंग प्लेज रोल. हम लोग ये करते हैं कि ये जो चॉकलेट है, मैं तुम्हें टारगेट, जैसे मार्केटिंग कंसल्टेंट जो रहेंगे वो मार्केटिंग वाला चीज़ देख लेंगे कि हाँ हम इसको लोगों में पॉपुलर कर देंगे. बट देन देर आर लाइक सप्लाई चेन एनालिस्ट, सप्लाई चेन कंसल्टेंट, दे कम इन टू द रोल वेयर दे आर लाइक कि हाँ ये इतना सेल होने वाला है तो मुझे तुमको ऑलरेडी डेटा दे देना पड़ेगा कि ये इतना सेल होने वाला है जियोग्राफिक लोकेशन के हिसाब से व्हाटएवर. तो तुम्हारे पास इतने चॉकलेट, 20 चॉकलेट होने चाहिए, क्योंकि 20 बच्चे तो पक्का पक्का आने वाले हैं. और अगर 20 बच्चे आने वाले हैं ये तुम्हें पता है, बट एक बच्चे ने 20 खरीद लिए तो, और या फिर 20 बच्चे आए बट उन्होंने वो चॉकलेट नहीं मांगा, कुछ और मांग लिया तो, यू बिकॉज यू आर अ शॉपकीपर, यू नीड टू सेल एवरीथिंग, यू कैंट बी लाइक बेटिंग ऑल योर थिंग्स ऑन वन थिंग. सो दैट्स वेयर कंसल्टेंट्स प्ले द रोल कि तुम्हारे पास कौन कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, हम तुमको कहाँ हेल्प कर सकते हैं, और हम तुम्हें तुम्हारी मार्जिन अप कैसे कर सकते हैं. आई रियली बिलीव दैट consultants are like a job which like ChatGPT can replace and whatever, but the amount of experience these people have when they're at like engagement manager level or AP level, or let's say just like a senior consultant or associate level, the amount of experience they have, they just look at the spreadsheets, they just look at your infrastructure which is in the cloud by McKinsey's perspective, they just look at your infrastructure and they can tell कि हाँ मतलब यहाँ पे मैं improvise कर सकता हूँ, कॉस्ट कटिंग कर सकता हूँ और मार्केट में वैल्यू बढ़ा सकता हूँ. एंड दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड that's how I will explain it to like a 4-year-old, or I don't know.
ब्रिलियंट. इट वाज, क्योंकि मैं बताता हूँ, मैंने क्वेश्चन आपसे इसका पूछा क्योंकि मुझे पर्सनली इंटरव्यूज में पूछा गया है कि हाउ वुड यू एक्सप्लेन दिस टर्म टू अ किड. द बेटर यू एक्सप्लेन द बेटर कंसल्टेंट यू आर, एंड यू प्रूव दैट विद दैट आंसर. और क्योंकि हमारे क्लाइंट्स को कुछ पता नहीं होता, लाइक फॉर योर क्लाइंट्स कि क्या क्यूबरनेटीज है क्या, एंड दैट शोज योर एक्सप्लेनिंग स्किल्स टू. अगर आपको एक रोड मैप बताना हो स्टेप बाय स्टेप कि MBA ज़रूरी है कि नहीं, क्या कर सकते हैं?
There are multiple ways, but this is like a proven way for like students back in India. They can apply for analyst positions in McKinsey. It might not pay you well, and trust me, it's fine. But because the hierarchy is move up or move out, so you can actually move up within next 6 months to a year. It doesn't take long to move up in McKinsey. You can see McKinsey people's portfolios. They're like 7 years and they're at partner level or whatever. So if you're straight out of undergraduation, you don't want to do your master's or MBA or anything as of now, just go for analyst position. Go up to like work for 2 years. McKinsey has this program where they sponsor your MBA.
Wow.
If you are at the good standing, and you don't even have to be like higher standing. Good standing is basically perfectly average. It's a 1 to 5 scale. If you are at 3, they will send you an option in an email after 2 years of completion that, hey, we can sponsor your MBA, whichever college, whichever in the world, like around the world you choose, we will sponsor it. There are so many people who do it from IIMs. There are so many people who do it from the France. There is a French university which is very famous in McKinsey.
HEC Paris.
Yeah. And there is something IHC or ITC something. IHG, I don't know exactly the name, but I saw a lot of my McKinsey Paris colleagues who are graduated.
INSEAD? INSEAD?
Yeah, something similar. Yeah. I'm sorry, I don't know the name, but I have a lot of colleagues from the Paris office from there. So you can go from McKinsey. They will sponsor your MBA. And when I'm saying sponsor, it's literally sponsored each and every course, your living expenses, and your computer and stuff.
Everything.
Yeah. For example, for a Harvard student, if somebody is getting into Harvard through a McKinsey program, they would get like fully tuition fee paid off, plus 20,000 for your rent, living expenses, whatever the MBA cool trips the people go for, and that's what I'm aspiring to get into. And yeah, and the only thing is you had to go back and work for McKinsey. But see, my perspective is I have a job in that case, so I can actually get my fully paid vacations and go back to McKinsey and work for 2 years. So that way, I don't even have like a stress of, oh shit, I have to sit down and search.
Find job, yeah.
But if you're one of those people like who likes to be stressed out, or like who likes to do something more, like, oh, I don't want to go to McKinsey again, whatever. With Satyan, what's the CEO of Google?
Sundar Pichai.
Sundar Pichai did. He actually was from McKinsey. He was a product manager at McKinsey, switched to Google. Then you're one of those people who wants to, like, explore the new world. You can do that too. It's just the company who's hiring you, the new company who's hiring you, they have to pay off McKinsey whatever the money has spent. So basically, you have the way out for everything. McKinsey won't be like, no, you have to work with us because we paid you.
इंटर्नशिप कर सकते हैं तो राइट बीच में
हाँ
वो कहीं कर सकते हैं उसका कोई
वो उसका कुछ नहीं है वो भी तुम 6 महीने कहीं पे 3 महीने समर इंटर्नशिप्स you can do anywhere you want.
So this is tried and tested. If there's a problem, there's a solution as well.
Yeah.
What a roadmap. Yeah, I hope this helps all the students.